Good morning, children. In maths, we are studying money. Hmm? So, in money, we use coins and notes. We use coins and notes as money. These are coins and these are notes. These are coins and these are notes. We use them to buy things. Okay. Now, rupees 10 coin and rupees 10 note have same value. Rupees 10 coin होता है, rupees 10 note is also there. So when we buy anything and we have to give rupees 10, we can give coin also. If we don't have coin, we can give note also. If we don't have note, we can give coin. If we don't have coin, we can give note. So it has same value. हम कॉइन भी दे सकते हैं, नोट भी दे सकते हैं, एंड दोनों का वैल्यू सेम है. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय आइसक्रीम ऑफ रुपीज़ 10, so you can give coin, and if you don't have coin, you can give note. दोनों का मतलब एक ही है, दोनों का वैल्यू एक ही है. ठीक है. नाउ rupee 1 coin or rupee 1 has how many paisa? 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa, 4 paisa. In this rupee, how many paisa are there? Rupee 1 coin has 100 paisa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100 paisa. Rupee 1 coin has 100 paisa. Okay? Now 50 rupees. This is 50 rupees. This is not coin. This is coin. It has 100 paisa. How many paisa are there in 1 rupee? There are 100 paisa in 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Now rupees 50. How you will write when you have to write this rupee 50? This rupee 50. How you will write? You will write like this only. Ra. This is rupee. And then you will write 5050. This is rupee 50. Now if you want to write 50 paisa, so you will write, first you will write 50, then you will write P for paisa. This is for rupee and this is for paisa. Okay. 50 पैसा का कॉइन देखा, जैसे 1 rupee coin is there, there is 50 पैसा coin also. Right now ma'am does not have with her 50 paisa coin. So if you can ask your parents and they can provide and show to you, then it will be good. If it is not there, then you just learn like this. 50 paisa is written like this and rupees 50 is written like this. Okay. So again ma'am is telling you 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. In 1 rupee there are 100 paisa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 100 paisa are there in 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 50 rupee is written as rupees 50 and 50 paisa is written as 50 paisa. And we use coins and notes as money. Okay. Now this work, you will, all these things what I have explained you will write in your copy. Okay. You will write in your copy. Money, exercise 1, fill in the blanks. We use coins and notes as money. Rupee 1 is equal to 100 paisa. 50 rupees is written as rupees 50. 50 paise is written as 50p. Okay. 50p. Now children, you have to do another work, that is, I am going to give you, draw how many money rupee 1 coin is needed to make rupees 2 or rupees 5 or rupees 10. Means 1 rupee, how many 1 rupee coin are needed in rupees 2. Okay. Now how many 1 rupee coin is needed? 2 coins are needed in rupees 2. Okay, either you can give to shopkeeper this rupees 2. This is written rupees 2. This is, you can give this rupees 2. Okay, or you can give 1 rupee coin 2. Okay, 2 1 rupee coin also you can give. This 1 rupee coin also you can give. If you don't have 2 rupees, you can give 1 rupee of 2 coins. Okay, 1 rupee of 2 coins. Then you have to, how many rupees in 1 rupee coin you have to give in 5 rupees? Like you have 5 rupees, you can give 5 rupees. Okay, if you don't have 5 rupees, you can give 1 rupees coin of 5, not 1, 5 coins you have to give of 1 rupee. ये 1 rupee वाले आपको 5 coins देने पड़ेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this 5 coins you have to give if you want to give 5 rupees. Either you give 5 rupee coin or you give 1 rupee coin 5. Now if you want to buy anything of 10 rupees, so either you give 10 rupee coin or 10 rupee note. Okay, if you don't have, then you have to give how many 1 rupee coin? Let's count. Ma'am has already drawn 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 1 rupee coin you have to give to shopkeeper to buy anything of rupee 10. Okay children, so what you have to do in the copy, you have to write exercise number 2. Draw how many rupee 1 coin is needed to make rupee 2, or to make rupee 5, or to make rupee 10. So for 2 you have to give 2 coins. For 5 you have to give 5 coins of 1 rupee. For 10 you have to give 10 coins of 1 rupee. Okay, you do this work in the copy. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye children.